So today, I install an outlet for the TV. Cause my auntie in my skin for give one outlet behind the TV so you can take up the whole of it. You can put the card them behind the back of the TV. So she don't wanna see no card hanging down. So I'm gonna give him an upgrade. This as one of the material. A gym box, because let me say one outlet I put around there. Because there's a TV and the modem. I'm gonna be around there. We have the hanger. This is the BX wire. The Romex wire. I've got a nice square at the bottom. Then snake my wire down. Because I'm going straight to the panel because I could piggyback with one of these outlets up here, but it's gonna be more. Yeah, I could piggyback with one of these outlets up here, but why I'm not, because I need another outlet downstairs for the same setup. Because they have a TV downstairs where they need an outlet down there too. So I'm just doing one stone kill two birds. So straight down. So normally I would have a stud finder trying to locate the beams, but I did have one and I don't know where it is. So I'm kind of hopefully me not struck no beam. So hopefully me get it right and not struck no beam. Right guys, always say once you open a hole in the sheetrock, once you're gonna cut out a spot in the sheetrock, don't make no small cutout, just make a big one and done, because it's the same cutout. Pull out for the string.
Oh, okay. We had to go up.
It seems like it.
Oops. Yeah, no, let's see. The wool bucket. Go up, right? Yeah. Yeah, it looked like that. Alright. So.
Oh, you ease off your back piece and then lift it up. Like tilt it and then carry up.
Oh, it come up.
What's up?
Where you going? Ficar. Still outside? You want to put it at the front? That better. Yeah, them thing, the TV fucking heavy too. Just with the 4 screw that I told to find, they never find stud then. Maybe just 2. Maybe the next 2 them in stud.
Stud there, so.
Yeah, they might have
So
get
what
it.
they missing?
Yeah,
Stud there, so.
then maybe should have put it in,
Go straight. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put the next outlet behind here, so and also now to the panel, because we got a panel here. So this now gonna be like a tricky part, and try to see if I can sneak the wire have to come over. Alright, so cut out the put in the gym bit with boy down there, so if you get more down there. Cause this is tacky work. Me no do. I go switch over them because them now gone in and nothing. The TV is stronger. Yo! Hey man, say if you want him come now, he can come now. me give you number. But man say right, come here tell you say morning. You want you say if you want him come now. He may come now, master. What time Sunday morning? Early morning, late. This small like this. Hey. Where you say? You man say now get the front. So you can't come early. Lord. Lord, have his mercy. So give me about 3 tasks to do today. So yeah. So can't sleep.
So what time you wanna come up here for 2?
It's,
Alright, okay, so that's good. Yeah. Alright.
this thing I got close, you know.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. That's the furthest it could go?
Yeah. Cause me did measure with the bracket behind it.
Yeah.
But it's close, like super close.
Exactly. Hold on. Let me get the edge.
Hold on, let me turn in. Boy.
This TV fucking heavy.
Go over to you.
Good?
But basically the far than this wall. Cause this wall come down straight. But I can't really see it from under. But let me get it done. I'll clean up back here, so you know, cause you know when my auntie come in, like I say the place dusty and this and that. Let me take a never remember saying I have a wire to run if you go to the cable box, the Wi-Fi box. So I have to go through little tweeting up there and there. So and guys, me not do shit right work, but see because I'm an auntie place, me do it and done. But once me I do work, me not do shit rock patching and me see. One thing with me though, when I'm doing work, for anybody at all, I always make sure me clean up at the area I'm working at, because I don't like to leave a bad impression on customer or anybody, because you know we're a clean boy. You see? That thing, but clean as best as I can. this one, but just I go mount up a box, land the wire, splice them one soft, and I give no help a headache for bore. And then from this on I go carry back the wire up in another air seal in there, and then try to fish the wire from here, so like try to snake from and put in a panel. We did give this panel an upgrade. It was a smaller panel, space did full and something, circuit did a share and something, so I upgrade the whole system for them and thing. That now work out. Never feel with the boom bam 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 bam. So guys, finish and thing. So turn out the TV. Shanting. See the TV at work. But we find one problem because we have a box behind the TV. The remote now pick it up, so I have to go move the box. So I have to go move the bracket right there, sir, and put it lower. So I put it lower on here, so the remote can pick up it. But that's a tomorrow business, guys.